Hi guys, welcome all of you. So this is session number 7 in our Java language concept series, and in this session 7 is will be all about this flow control in Java concept. Okay, flow control statements. So what is meant by flow control in Java? So in Java, when we create a program and when we run it, okay, so it will look for the main method, and inside main method, whatever statements you have written, let's say you have 100 statements. So that statements are going to run one by one, okay, in sequential manner. So that flow is from top to bottom, one by one statement will be executed. But Java provides some mechanism, some facility that if I want out of that 100 statements, some few statements should run. Okay, that few statement, let's say 20 statements should only run depending upon some condition. Okay, that condition I will set. So depending upon some condition, some statements should be executed, some should not be executed, like that. So this mechanism is provided, and that or we can say the feature provided by the Java. And also you can have some statement, okay, some block of statement execute uh, again and again multiple times. Okay, depending upon some condition, we can run some of the statements in that program again and again multiple times in a loop. Okay, so that facility is also given by the Java program. So this is why we called it as a flow control. We can control the flow of the program, how it is going to execute whatever statement are there in that program Java file. We can control it using different types of flow control statement. Okay, so there are three main types of flow control statement. One is decision making, or you can say it is a selection statement. Okay, decision making or selection statement. That means depending upon some condition, we will going to run few statement, okay, and we are going to skip few statement for that one execution. Okay, so this is the decision making or selection statement. So what are they? So in this we have two. One is if else, switch. Okay, so these are two decision making statements. So depending upon some condition, we can run some part or some statement inside this if block or else block. Okay, and same for the switch. Depending upon some condition, we are going to run one of the case present inside the switch. So we will see in detail about all these things. Okay, then we have second category, looping or iterative statements. Okay, looping means we are going to run block of statement again and again in a loop. For a specific iterations, we are going to run that block of statements again and again. Okay, so in this we have first one, we have while, then we have do while, then third one we have for loop, and last one is for each. Okay, so this also we are going to see in detail. And third category is transfer control or jump statements. Means in a program, when any statement is running, we can make control to jump out of that loop and go to some particular location or particular position. Okay, so we can make the control go to the first position again when where the program has started or loop has started, or we can break that loop. Okay, means whatever execution is going on, we can break that execution and come out of the loop. Okay, something like that. So in this we have first one is break statement. Okay, so using this break we can break the loop. Okay, we can jump our control to the end of the loop. Okay, and second we have continue statement. Okay, continue. And third one return statement. Okay, so basically mostly we look for these two, break and continue, as a part of the statement, but return is also a type of transfer control statement which will return some value. That means our control will be returned to the calling method directly. Okay, so these are the jump statement by which we can jump our control to a specific location in our program. Okay, so these are the three main categories for the flow control statement in Java. So if someone asks you this in the interviews, you need to explain in this way. Okay, explain through categories. Do not tell directly that there are for loops, while loop, or break, continuous statement. You should know the category wise. Okay, so this is the first category we have. The second one. Okay, and this is the third one. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. It's just an overview about the flow control. What is flow control? What is the use of it, and their categories. Okay, so from next part 2, we will start looking for all this in detail. Okay, with the practical examples also in the Eclipse. So let me know if you have any question or queries, or if you need any help.